Hey guys, welcome to question FM182 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a young couple invests $16,250 at the beginning of a 5-year period. After 5 years of compound interest, the value of the investment reaches $25,000. Question A says, how much interest was earned during the 5 years of this investment? Now, in order to figure that out, we take our future value, or the value after 5 years, 25,000, and we subtract the initial investment, $16,250, and that's going to leave us with $8,750 worth of interest. Interest on the account had been calculated and paid monthly. Part B then says, what was the annual rate of interest for this investment? Write your answer correct to one decimal place. Now you could use some sort of nth rule and then solve for the rate. I'm going to use Finance Solver to answer this question. So for Finance Solver, the number of payments made, well, that's going to be 5 times 12, 5 years, 12 payments per year, or 12 compounds, I should say, per year, is going to be 60 all up. The interest rate is what we're solving for. The present value, well, we're investing, so minus 16,250. Payments, 0, because we haven't been told that any payments are being made and we're not taking out any money from this investment. And the future value, positive 25,000, because that's how much it'll be worth to them in the future. And of course, our payments per year and compounds per year are going to be 12 each. Solving for the interest rate, we get a rounded answer of 8.6%. C says the $25,000 was reinvested in another account for a year. The new account paid interest at a rate of 3.6% per annum, compounding quarterly. At the end of each quarter, the couple added an additional $420 to the investment. Part I then says, the equation below can be used to determine the account balance at the end of the first quarter immediately after the $420 was added. Complete by filling in the boxes. So we're given an equation that says balance is equal to 25,000 times 1 plus, and we're given a blank space. Now, we know that the yearly interest rate, well, we know normally that the rate is going to go in here. So our yearly interest rate is 3.6%. Because this is being broken down into quarters, we're going to divide this by 4, which gives us an answer of 0.9% per quarter. And of course, then we also need to take this 0.9 and turn it into a decimal by dividing by 100. So to explain turn it into a decimal, seeing as this is already a decimal, this is a percentage as it stands, we need to turn it into a raw decimal. So plugging that into a calculator will give you an answer of 0.009, which of course is what we put in for our rate. And then we've been told that we're making additions of $420. So 0.009 and 420 are going to be our two answers for that question. Part II says, what was the account balance at the end of the year? Write your answer correct to the nearest dollar. So we know that at the end of the year, 4 payment and compound periods are going to pass. The interest rate that we've been given is 3.6%. The present value is going to be negative 25,000 because we're reinvesting that $25,000. Our payments, we're making additions of $420. So since it's leaving this couple, they're making additions into the account, it's minus 420. The future value is what we're solving for. Payments per year is 4. The compounds per year is also 4. Solving for the future value, we should get a rounded answer to the nearest dollar of $27,615. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions about these questions, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.